Hello you guys, welcome back. Today you are joining me and my screaming children for a meal planning and grocery haul video. We're actually going to do just 1 week in this video. Normally we do 2 weeks, but we were finding that right now as we're shuffling around refrigerators and all of that, our outdoor refrigerator and stuff, our kids have been eating, not on purpose, but just happens, eating the food that belongs in a recipe. If I plan too far out and buy too much groceries for too far out, I end up eating the food that's for the recipe inadvertently, and then I go to make it and stuff's not there. Yes. So that being said, everything is just a little bit crazy right now. So with back to school and all of that. So I'm just keeping our meal plan very simple, and we're just gonna do 1 week at a time for right now. So I'm gonna go through and do the meal plan, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm using my new meal planning sheets and shopping list sheets. I'll have these linked down below. They're on my website. If you're like me and you like to just pen and paper it, you could just print this out. And the meal planner sheet also comes as an editable PDF document. So if you prefer to type it out and not print it out and write it down, but I like to print mine. You can also laminate them so that you can just dry erase and reuse them. But let me make my list. So what I have on our meal plan for the week is breakfast. Again, we just list them all and then rotate through and eat what we want. I just make sure that I have the ingredients for these various things, and then we eat them when we want. So we'll do cereals, oatmeal, pancakes, like scrambled eggs, fried eggs and sausage, French toast, Dutch babies. I'm very excited to make Dutch babies. I haven't made Dutch babies in forever. I haven't had them in forever, and they are so good. And omelets. We're trying to use a lot of eggs. We have a lot of eggs, and we need to use them. For lunches, again, similar thing. Just here's a list of what's available for lunches. So what do you want to make that day? But quesadillas, hot dogs or corn dogs. My kids love corn dogs, but sometimes Sam's is out of their big box of corn dogs. So either hot dogs or corn dogs. Chicken salad sandwiches, just regular turkey, ham sandwiches, leftovers, stuff especially my boys really like to eat the leftovers from dinner because they just like meat and carbs, mac and cheese, and grilled cheese sandwiches. And then for the dinners, of course, like I said, we have Brinner, eating out, my husband's homemade fried rice with chicken, teriyaki chicken. I will leave the recipes because I'm pretty sure minus one of these recipes, we've done a video about it before. So my husband's homemade Benihana knockoff fried rice and the chicken teriyaki, I'll leave that linked down below if you want to check that out. The taco bake, very easy, very quick, and everyone loves it. Taco bake, again, I tend to go for those. I hate the like dump and go. I don't like the word dump. Maybe that's just me. I just don't love hearing dump in the same sentence as food that I'm going to eat. But whatever. But I like the kind of meals like one pot type things, right? So baked ziti, which is really easy, pasta with Italian sausage, and mix it all in one pot, and away you go. And then sloppy joes, and we'll probably do like some oven roasted broccoli with that. At least try to mix in something a little healthy with your sloppy joe. And then spaghetti carbonara. So we are keeping our meal plan very simple each week over the next few weeks because we just have so much going on with back to school starting. I have a huge project that I am launching very soon, and so life is just very hectic right now. So we want to keep our meal plan and dinners, my children are screaming, I'm sorry, our meal plan and dinners as simple as possible. So based on this meal plan, I'm going to make my shopping list, gonna go inventory the pantry and see what I need, what I already have, and make my shopping list.
All right, crew, so Angie has taken the oldest 2 girls to an art class, and all the groceries from the grocery order just showed up. I went ahead and laid them out. I'm gonna walk through them with you because I gotta put the stuff away before it goes bad, so I gotta throw it in the refrigerator. She's done the meal plan. I don't know with 100% certainty exactly everything that's on there, but I'm gonna kind of do my best here to kind of navigate what I know is on there and tell you what we got. Some various breads. I think these bad boys, these hamburger buns, are for Sloppy Joe's. Some regular bread. We've got some artisan bread. This is used in our house primarily for French toast. That's always a crowd pleaser. We do a lot of Brinners around here. We have some pancetta and some diced ham. That might be for spaghetti carbonara. Some pico de gallo. Kids are always snacking on popcorn. We do movie nights. That's always a crowd pleaser. We also got some shredded carrots, some green onions. That is going to be for some fried rice that I'm going to throw down on the Blackstone outside. Some tomatoes. That's either a snack food. I know Angie makes a lot. She throws like some mozzarella cheese and some balsamic like vinegar dressing on it with some basil. She likes to eat that stuff. Bananas, some grapes, some broccoli. That's going to be a side. Some small sweet peppers. Apples do not last long around here. I'm anxious for the fall. We usually go apple picking at an orchard nearby and just go ham on some apples. Some cinnamon rolls back there in the back. Some tortillas. That's the rice I'm going to use for the fried rice. Lemon juice, just something we were out of in the house. That's an ingredient that I need. Couple cans of refried beans. Those are going to be for, I would imagine, a Mexican dish that we're going to be doing that's on the meal plan. Only 3 gallons of milk. We usually go through a gallon of milk a day in this house, but we've got 3 or 4 out in the other fridge already. Pretzels. The twins and Benjamin love pretzels. We've got some cheese, some chicken cutlets. About 2 pounds worth of chicken cutlets is going to be used for the fried rice. Various lunch meats, turkeys, and some ham. We've got several pounds of ground beef here. Looks like 4 or 5 pounds of ground beef for a couple different dishes. Lots of bacon. Some frozen chicken nuggets. This is usually like a littles and middles lunch, at least one time during the week. We've got some ground Italian sausage. We've got a Benjamin. We've got various pastas. Popsicles, that was my only request on this grocery order. I'm a huge popsicle fan. The boys love nachos, so we always get a big bag of chips. We got some potato chips, and then a tower of ice cream. This ice cream will definitely last us longer than a week, but Sam's Club has good deals. This one right here, that's an Angie pick, that peppermint. I haven't had it yet. She swears by it. I might need to dabble this time around. So yeah, this was a combo order from both Sam's and Kroger. And this will get us through for our meal plan for this week. Huh, Benji? Benny, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Cityscapes and skylines run in circles round this heart of mine.